Hey guys, it's Ryan Gilo from Talent Search. I just wanted to reach out to you guys to let you know that we are going to continue providing services through this time virtually. And I wanted to explain how we're going to do that. We're going to use a server called Discord. Some of you guys may already be familiar with what Discord is. Formerly, it was known as a communication platform for only gamers, basically. But it's evolved into a huge team collaboration platform that we're going to use to provide services to all of you. So, the very first thing is you should have received an email from Dr. Flores yesterday or the day before explaining uh, different avenues and different resources available to you for this time while we're trying to go through COVID 19 and the coronavirus. So, what I want to do is make sure I walk you through how to sign up for Discord on how we're going to continue to provide these services. You will be receiving an email, or you already have received an email from each of us explaining how to download Discord and what that's going to look like. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I'm going to walk you through how to download it and how to interact with the different advising sessions. So let's just jump right in. So you can see my screen right here. The email that we're going to send out has a link, like I mentioned, and I'm going to go ahead and open up one of my browsers here. And what you're going to do is, let's just go back to the home page. You're going to go ahead and you're going to copy, or you're going to click on that link and you're going to paste and go. So what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to see the little gator with UHD on it, and it's going to say you have been invited to join Talent Search UHD's server. Here's where I want you guys to pay attention. Your username should be your real name. Do not use any pet names or nicknames or anything like that that you've used in the past. If you already have a Discord account, either change your name with that account or go ahead and create another free account. Another important thing is this is 100% free. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into here and you're going to type in your name. So I would just type in my name. I'm not going to create an account because I already have. But you'll hit continue. And once you join, it will look like this. Let me show you. And once you create an account and you put in your email, it's going to ask you to verify that email, okay? So you'll have to go into the email that you type in here whenever you create the account, and it's a link that you click in your email just to verify your account, okay? But once you've done that, you can go ahead and log in. This is going to take you to the server that we have created. Now, the main thing you want to do is if nothing is showing up here, you can always click on the little gator up here on the top left, and that is going to be our server. So essentially, there's different servers, and you can search for different ones as well if you've never used this before. But you want to click the top left-hand side. It says Talent Search UHD's server. Click on that. All of these text channels are going to populate along with the voice channels. So essentially what this is this gives you the ability to go ahead and click in your respective grade level. So you'll click in 7th grade if you're in 7th grade. If you're in 12th, you'll click in 12th. And what we're going to do as advisors, as Miss Green, myself, and Mr. Acosta are going to do is in each grade level, we're going to post a topic. And typically, these are the topics that we would talk with you and sit down with you at the school about. So we're going to talk with you about, transition to college. Or I'm going to talk with seniors about financial aid and economic literacy. All of these things are going to be talked about in the virtual sense through these discussion boards. So if you've ever used Reddit or you've heard of Reddit, this is sort of like a more upscale version of Reddit. I like the way this looks. It's very clean. You should be able to find your grade level on here. FAQs are in here, so that's frequently asked questions. So if you have a question that you think anybody or everybody in the program should know the answer to, go ahead and click in here and ask your question. If you need help with COVID-19 or the coronavirus, if you need any assistance, I'm going to post some different topics and different resources that are available to you in regards to that. Scholarships, field trips, SAT, ACT information. That has changed now due to this as well for different scheduling. You are going to see TS staff only for both the text and the voice channel. You guys won't have access to that because it is just for the staff here. And while I'm mentioning that, you will see all of us up here on the right hand side about who's online, what's going on. You will see the advisors in green. So that's Miss Green, myself, and Mr. Acosta. You will see Miss Becerra and Miss Gonzalez are the two assistants. You may get some communication from them on this platform. And then Dr. Flores is in gold. He's the director of the program, okay? And he will be monitoring you guys as well. So here's the important takeaway. When you click on your grade level, it's going to have a topic. Like I mentioned, if I'm talking to the seniors about transition to college or college survival skills or financial aid, any of those topics, I'm going to post that topic in here. So for instance, transition to college. And I'll post some links, some topics, something that we're all talking about, and you will have an extensive list of resources there for you to look at. You may question or comment about any of these things that we're posting. I encourage every single one of you to ask a question or comment about it. That way you can help each other out, or ask a question if you don't know the answer to it, and I'll do my best to get that answer for you. This gives an open forum rather than it just being an email between myself and just you. This gives an opportunity for everybody to engage in the discussion rather than it just being one-on-one. And I think everybody can benefit from this. So another cool thing is, you can do GIFs, you can do your emotes, but you can also attach different attachments if you want to. But here's the important thing as well. After I post a topic in here, I want you to write your name in there. Even if you don't have a question or comment, write your name in there. This gives us the best way to know who has received this information, that you're participating, and that you are getting the information we have provided to you, okay? So what that would look like is you would just type in your name. If you don't have any questions or comments about the transition to college or whatever we're talking about, and that lets me know who participated, and you guys get credit for having participated in that advising session virtually. Okay, so that gives us an opportunity to document that and make sure that you're understanding the information we're giving to you. Okay, so that's going to work for 11th, 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, and the seniors as well. So I want you guys to do that, to get on the server. If you want to communicate through voice as well, just type in a question here or something. Hey, can we chat for a minute on the voice channel? We have separated that sort of like what the advisors are responsible for. So 7th, 8th, and 9th, you can talk to Mr. Acosta. You just pop in the voice channel, and the way that looks is you just click into the channel. It makes that noise, and then what's going to happen is if it doesn't detect a microphone, then you'll just go into the settings. If you're on your phone, it should automatically do it. If you're not, you just go ahead and select your default application where your microphone is, and you'll start to see it lights up green around your name right here, okay? So when I stop talking, it will not light up green. So just like that, okay? So you can pop into the voice channel. If you guys want to talk to each other, you're welcome to talk to each other. If you all want to engage in a discussion with me or Mr. Acosta or Miss Green, let us know in the text channel that that's what you want to do. You can pop in here. If you have something privately you would like to discuss with us and you don't want to do it via email, you can always click on one of our names over here, and let's say we want to message somebody. You click message, and then now we are in a private messaging DM basically with Miss Green. Okay, so the way to get back to the server, go again, click the little gator off here to the left, and then we're back in the server. If you want to hang up the call, you click the little hang up button. So this is available to you on the phone through iOS and Android as well. And I encourage you to use iOS and Android because it is an excellent way for you to access the information on the go, see it really fast. You're more than welcome to use the computer as well. Use both of them, use all of them if you have access to it. But this is going to provide a flexible way for us to give you information on what we would normally give you when we go out to your school. Okay? So this is the way it will probably go for the next couple of weeks. We're going to be sending emails out about information that's coming along the line throughout the pipeline on how we plan to provide more services to you. This is a very fluid situation we're in. So I encourage you, if you need assistance or you have any questions or anything like that, you can reach out to us either through Discord here or through our email. And if you have any questions about signing up for this, you can email us. Okay, it's talentsearch@uhd.edu. That is the email. Go ahead and send us an email if you have a question or you're having an issue, or you can give us a call at 713-221-8992. Okay? I hope that this helps you guys. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy, and we'll be in touch, okay? Last thing I want to say is this Discord server, we will be posting multiple topics within the same thread. So, within a couple of days, I'll be moving on from the transition to college to I may be moving into college survival skills or SAT, ACT information, just everything that we are going to cover and that we may have already covered is going to be posted on this one page, this one thread. Okay? So I just want to highlight that. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, that's what we're here for. Send us an email, give us a phone call, or message us through Discord, okay? Have a good one. Stay healthy, and we will chat later. Thanks.